drawing cartoonish faces. Hi everyone, my name is Natalie and I am illustrator. How are you doing today? In this video, I will teach you my way how to make face illustrations. We will teach you. To learn drawing cartoonish face that will be correctly proportioned and looks cute took me quite a lot of time. These are my first illustrations drawn few years ago and those are my lately favorite ones. I guess progress is visible. You can find a lot of videos on YouTube on how to make realistic faces, but I will teach you cartoonish ones. So, step 1 is making a sketch. For the sketches I am choosing a few different brushes. Today I will use only brushes that I made myself. You can also buy them at Buy Me a Coffee if you want. Let's start with the face shape. It can be round, oval, square, depending on which type of shape you want to have in the end. By the way, you can also buy pre-made face shapes for your characters that I have made myself. This will be very useful as you can save a lot of time with it. In the end, I will show sketches that I made using these pre-made shapes. So, now we draw the helps lines, same way as when we make realistic face drawing. Central line, eyes line, nose and lips. Lines can change depending how we want our characters to look like. Also, lines can change depending on the angle. I always begin my sketches from the nose. Width of the nose is almost the same as between the eyes, you can fit another eye in the space. But since we are drawing a cartoonish face, it is not so important, but today I will try to use these rules. So far it looks funny and strange. This style allows us to draw any form and size as we want. Let's leave sketch for a second and I want to show you this. We can change size of the eyes, make nose smaller or not to draw it at all, or make it in any shapes you want. The most important is to draw these helping lines, so everything has its own place. Everything else depends on your imagination. Okay, let's come back to the sketch. Now you understand where you should place eyes, nose and lips. So now we need to draw our characters a bit more carefully and the way how we want to style it. So I will make the face smaller as it's very white. Let's add some volume to our hair. Adding a little bit more details. Now let's look at our helping lines, if I am still doing it right. As we see, yes. We have done the sketch and let's put it aside. We need a break so our eyes can rest, this way we can understand if we have any mistake on the sketch. Now we do it again, but a bit more carefully. Meanwhile, I am creating clean sketch. I would like you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps. You can also support me on Buy Me a Coffee. This will motivate me even more to create this educational content for you. You can also order my postcard, brushes for Procreate. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, let's color in the way we like. Add light and shadow depending on our style. I have also added the reference that color-wise I like the most. Try to do the same way, it will save your time. This is my favorite part of illustrations, since everything is ready and we are only playing with the colors. Love it! Also, write in the comments which topic will be interesting for you in the next video. It will help me to understand what you guys need. And here it is, our illustration is ready. Let's move on to the tips now. So, to learn draw cartoonish faces quickly, I would recommend you to start making a lot of quick sketches from random photos from Instagram, for example. They don't need to be very detailed, but try to make the proportions correctly. I hope this video was useful for you. I wish you all a lot of motivation and inspiration in your projects. Make your sketches and tag me in the stories. I will be glad to share them. See ya! Sorry. See ya!